This does not only affect people with disabilities, this affects everyone, and I need you to listen to me. This is no longer about left or right. I don't care who you voted for at this point. We all are stronger together. Right now, there are 17 states, including my state of Georgia, that are suing the federal government in order to overturn Section 504, the Rehabilitation Act of 1973. This law has been protecting people with disabilities for over 50 years, including access to health care, jobs, education, and public spaces for people with disabilities. If these states win their lawsuit, Section 504 could be ruled unconstitutional. That means school, hospitals, workplaces, public services that already receive federal funding could no longer receive federal funding and would no longer be required to provide accommodations to people with disabilities. So now I know you want to know more information. What does this look like? Who does this affect? As I stated earlier, this does not just affect people with disabilities, this affects everyone. Students in schools and universities, kids with ADHD, autism, dyslexia, or physical disabilities, and even more, rely on Section 504 plans to receive the accommodations they need to have an equal opportunity in school. Specifically for classroom accommodations, this could mean as small as extra testing time. Without this law, schools can deny children and students the support that they need to be able to learn. This also affects people who need health care. Examples of this would be a hospital no longer providing an interpreter for a deaf patient, accessible exam tables, and harder to find equal treatment for those with disabilities. This too will affect elderly patients, pregnant people, injured people, people with a chronic illness, or people with a temporary disability. Number 3 would be it can affect workers and job seekers, veterans with service-related disabilities, employees needing accommodation, and even people with temporary injuries can be denied the rights that are provided and protected by Section 504 while it is currently a law and a part of the Constitution. This will affect public spaces and transportation. Right now, buses, subways, and government-funded buildings currently must be accessible. If this were overturned, accessibility could take a major step backward, which could affect parents with something as simple as a stroller, affecting our seniors and anyone with an injury. Now I know you want to know, why should you care if this doesn't pertain to you? If you don't have an injury, you're not disabled, you don't have a disabled child, you don't work in a government-funded building, etc. Even if you do not feel like this affects you today, disability is the one identity that can join us all together at any time, whether through aging, injury, or loving somebody that has special needs. Nearly everyone will benefit from these protections at some point in their lives. So what do? For starters, we raise awareness. We speak up. Contact your representatives. Contact your Attorney General's office. Tell them why disability rights matter, because they can affect any of us at any time of all ages. You never know when it will be you, or if it will be you or a loved one. All it takes is one accident, one illness, one genetic mutation. You never know. We still have so much to learn in so many areas too. Support disability advocacy groups. You can look them up online. There's a ton of them. And they are doing their best to protect these rights, but they need our help. This is no longer just about disability. It is about fairness and access and protecting the rights that allow people to fully participate in society. And we cannot allow 50 years of progress to be erased. We won't.